Asterisk title, unveiling the highest paying digital marketing jobs in 2024, 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond asterisk. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, professionals skilled in leveraging online platforms to drive business growth are in high demand. As companies increasingly prioritize their online presence and marketing strategies, the demand for top-tier digital marketers has surged, leading to lucrative career opportunities with impressive salary packages. In this article, we'll delve into the highest paying digital marketing jobs in 2024, with salaries reaching 36 lakh rupees per annum LPA and beyond. ###*1 Chief Marketing Officer CMO ****. Role overview. *** is the head of the marketing department. The CMO is responsible for developing and executing comprehensive digital marketing strategies to drive brand awareness, customer acquisition, and revenue growth. Salary range. CMOs with extensive experience and a proven track record can command salaries ranging from 25 lakh rupees LPA to 50 lakh rupees LPA, depending on the company size and industry. ###*2 Digital Marketing Director. Role overview. Digital marketing directors oversee the planning, implementation, and optimization of digital marketing campaigns across various channels, including SEO, SEM, social media, and email marketing. Salary range. Digital marketing directors can earn salaries ranging from 20 lakh rupees LPA to 40 lakh rupees LPA, with additional bonuses and incentives based on performance metrics. ###3 Head of Growth Marketing. Role overview. Head of Growth Marketing focuses on driving user acquisition, retention, and revenue growth through data-driven marketing strategies, experimentation, and optimization. Salary range. Salaries for head of growth marketing positions typically range from 18 lakh rupees LPA to 35 lakh rupees LPA, with the potential for performance-based bonuses and equity incentives. ###4 Digital Marketing Manager Specialized ****. Role overview. Digital marketing managers specializing in areas such as SEO, SEM, social media, or content marketing are responsible for developing and executing targeted campaigns to achieve specific marketing objectives. Salary range. Depending on the specialization and level of expertise, digital marketing managers can earn salaries between 12 lakh rupees LPA to 25 lakh rupees LPA, with opportunities for advancement based on performance and industry trends. ###5 E-commerce Marketing Director. Role overview. E-commerce marketing directors lead the marketing efforts for online retail platforms, focusing on driving traffic, optimizing conversion rates, and maximizing revenue through effective digital marketing strategies. Salary range. Salaries for e-commerce marketing directors range from 15 lakh rupees LPA to 30 lakh rupees LPA, with additional perks such as performance bonuses and stock options in e-commerce companies. ###** Unlock your potential in digital marketing. Are you ready to pursue a rewarding career in digital marketing and unlock earning potentials of 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond? Our team of experts is here to provide free consultation and guidance to help you navigate your career path in this dynamic field. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 to kickstart your journey towards success today. In conclusion, the digital marketing landscape in 2024 offers lucrative career opportunities for skilled professionals, with salaries reaching 36 lakh rupees LPA and beyond for top leadership positions. By honing your skills, staying updated with industry trends, and seizing opportunities for growth, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving world of digital marketing. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब ****English ****. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing की दुनिया। I am Durlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।